Aliwal Noord Roll Ball Club. The Aliwal North Bowling Club is a membership-based establishment that provides a number of essential amenities such as a bar, bistro, gaming such as pocket doors machines, entertainment, and of course, lawn bowling. Our North Bowling Club, as old as it is, with amazing experience and legends. It hosted a lot of fun times, great celebrations, and unforgettable memories. This particular variant of lawn bowling consists of level patches of smooth, level grass that resemble golf greens, on which two individuals or two teams alternately attempt to place their balls, which are large balls the size of cantaloupes or rock melon. Bowling is almost similar to the 10-pin bowling, usually takes place in outdoors. Bowling barefoot, which is a fairly casual social variant of the game played by seniors. There is also the formal league of seniors that travel throughout the province of the Eastern Cape and compete against each other. Seniors play the game most often, but the club itself is the center of the neighborhood and acts as a gathering place for several local organizations and sports teams, in addition to being a great location to unwind and catch up with friends, colleagues, and families. Structurally, the club consists of a management team that includes a manager, operations manager, administrative assistants, bartenders, bistro employees, and bowling green workers. Additionally, there's a committee made up of club members who are elected to yearly posts to assist in overseeing the club's future. As a result, we can see the excellent maintenance.